Chiseling around tile.
Yeah. No false moving. You jack up a piece of towel.
Yeah.
Like this. Whoops,
Oh,
crack.
yeah.
You know? Sit down for less. Hard-headed.
So these are nails.
Yeah, for the.
What does those nails do?
It just holds in that wood. I mean,
The tack strip?
Yeah.
Okay.
Did a pretty good job.
I'm saying. A woman with carpal tunnel will never perform this job.
Remove all the nails.
Nails.
You see any? Go back and take it out. I don't see any.
No.
There's one.
Is it? Really? Does that need to be removed?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Then your the floor won't sit straight.
So that tack strip, we'll get to that? Or?
We'll get to that in a little bit.
Okay, get to that later. Okay.
Okay.
Let me sweep.